Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mithun, and in this YouTube tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through the entire process that I use to make sure that my recordings and streams have low lag or no lag at all in OBS. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To be honest with you, I don't actually use OBS because of this issue right now. And if I have to use a platform to record my screen and web application, I simply use PepoCloud. Let me show you what PepoCloud actually is. It is a simple yet really powerful web application that is free to use, and you can just sign up with your Google account and get started with using this platform. In order to record your screen, all you have to do is click on this record button on the home page of the application dashboard and get started with recording. After that, you can also edit it, and you can actually do a lot of things with the particular video that you've recorded, and you can even edit it slightly using PepoCloud's editor itself and share it with others using the link. So go check out PepoCloud if you're not actually willing to spend a lot of time learning OBS. Now, jumping onto the tutorial, I have opened up OBS in my computer, and I've also added all the audio sources and video sources that I wanted to record. Right now, it is actually capturing OBS itself because that's what I have opened up in my computer desktop. So, first of all, what you need to do is go check on this audio input capture device and click on this settings icon. In the settings icon, when you click on it, it will actually show you a drop down, and go to the last option which says the advanced audio properties. Click on it, and now you can see that there are a bunch of settings that you can now tweak. So right now, which right now the audio input capture that I have active is the first option right now, and in that option you can see that there is a sync offset. What I can do in order to test this is actually increase or decrease the sync offset by 200 millisecond. I am not going to do that here because I don't have any lag in my screen recording or my stream. So if you have any lag, increase this particular sync offset by 200 or decrease it by 200 ms. And if you want, you can also increase it by 400 ms or decrease it by 400 ms, whatever you feel is right to do at the moment. And once that is done, click on the close button and start recording. Once the recording is completed, open it up in a video player and see the sync situation, taking proper care of this entire lag situation in OBS. It is complicated, and I'm going to be honest with you. I started recording using a DSLR a few months ago, and I can tell you that the delay issue that I had faced in OBS was just painful. I had no idea how to actually get over with it, and although I was tweaking this advanced audio properties, it was not working smoothly. So I did what these filmmakers and movie producers do. They use a clap to sync the audio between their video and their audio sources. So I also followed that particular trip, but it actually is painful to sync audios manually on in any video editing software. So the best thing that you can do right now is to separately record your audio using a microphone and connect it to your DSLR if you record using a DSLR. What you can do is you can actually get a 3.5 jack supported microphone, which is easy to get. There are hundreds of lavalier microphones out there, and if your DSLR actually supports external microphone, you can use that. Unfortunately, my microphone does not support 3.5 jack, and since I use a Sony DSLR, I had to actually get the Sony's shotgun type of microphone, which actually fits in on top of the microphone slot, or you can even add ring light to it, whatever you want. It is not specifically available for microphone. And after that, I was able to record the audio separately, but the problem with sync also was not solved. Although my audio was synced with my webcam footage, it was not still synced with my footage from the desktop capture. So I actually had to switch from DSLR to webcam that records at 720 resolution, which is a great resolution for something that takes a little bit of space on my screen. So that's what I think. But I was able to resolve this lag issue even with my DSLR. It just takes a lot of practice and trial and error, because in most cases when I actually create tutorials, I have to delete my audio and video sources, and I have to get started from the scratch in order to show people how it is done. So if I have to actually go through all of the settings, I have to go through them each time whenever I set up OBS from the start. So that's the problem that I face with OBS when I actually deal with this issue. But if you are somebody who's gonna just set it up once and leave it at that, this will work perfectly fine for you. So give it a try and let me know in the comment section how it actually helped you out. Again, I don't prefer using OBS because of this issue. I actually prefer using simpler web applications such as PepperCloud and Loom to perform this action and record my screen and webcam at the same time to reduce this lag. OBS is an open source platform, so it makes sense that they don't actually let you do these things automatically, and you'll have to customize everything on your own. But if you're somebody who does not have the time to spend on such flimsy things, you can just skip this entire software and get started with an online web application such as PepperCloud. So that's what I think about this whole tutorial, and how you can actually sync your audio with video in OBS without actually doing anything in post production. So let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts. If you want to see similar videos in future, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will see you in my next tutorial. Till then, take care and bye.